Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix the Binance verification failed issue on your mobile device. You've been stuck trying to get your account verified. This step-by-step will help you pass without frustration. First, open the Binance app and log into your personal account. Once inside, tap your profile icon in the top left corner and go to Account Gives Identification. Now, tap Get Verified. Binance will ask you to select your country of residence. Make sure to pick the country where your official ID was issued. This is very important. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details such as your name, date of birth, and address. Double-check that all the information exactly matches your ID documents. Any mismatch could cause another failure. Okay, you won't be able to change it later. When that's done, it's time to verify your ID documents. Binance lets you either take a live photo using your phone's camera or upload high-quality images. Make sure the document is valid, uncropped, in color, and all corners are visible. After that, you'll be prompted to do a liveness check. This is basically a short selfie video to confirm you're the real owner of the account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Asterisk, once you've submitted everything, Binance will review your application. Verification is usually fast, but it can take longer during busy times. If it still fails, check for typos in your name, blurry photos, or expired documents. Then try again. And that's it. Your Binance account should now be verified and ready to use. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick crypto guides, and comment below if you want me to make a tutorial on fixing Binance withdrawal limits to